Oscillating Spindele Belt Sander. It comes with a 450 watt motor. You've got the 5 different sizes of spindles, ranging from 2 inches all the way down to ½ inch. What Jamie's got here is a 76mm belt. The motor is brilliant. It's got a safety stop on the end, so it stops the wood from sort of coming away from you, so you can maintain control. Okay. So now Jamie's going to demonstrate on how to swap over the belt to the spindle. So it's as simple as unscrewing the latch. Okay. Take the right hand twister off. Lift the cassette out of its place. There's actually a storage area around the back to keep it tidy for when you're not using it. Take out the insert plate for the spindle. There's a spacer here so that the spindle stays at the right height. Okay. Without that spacer, it won't operate properly. So that drops in down the spindle, down the shaft. Drop the insert plate in. These insert rings are labelled quite clearly with the diameter of the spindle you're using, so you can't use the wrong spacer. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So once the spindle's been inserted, you must take the washer and place it on top of the spindle, just so it keeps, when this is done up, it keeps everything nice and compressed so that the belt doesn't come off. So you need to tighten that as tight as you can, and the machine will operate perfectly every time. So it's nice and solid. You can see there the nice smooth action. It rotates lovely, and the oscillating as well, so you get full usage of the belt. Nice smooth action. So this is available now in all retailers.
Thank you very much. There is actually no any gas.
Yeah. So the dust extraction system on it is brilliant. So the way everything spins around, it directly falls in through here and goes straight into your dust collection bucket or hoover. So even with the big spindle, you'll see that there's minimal build-up of dust along the base plate. So you can see there's no dust flying around anywhere. But Jamie's going to show you the tilting table action. So it tilts all the way down to 45 degrees. So you can really clean up those edges. Just makes working on the edges a lot easier. There's only minimal sort of pressure required. The machine does most of the work for you. So you don't need to really be pushing on the machine, because the machine will take care of that. So everything that you see here is included with the kit. You get all 5 spindles, all the insert plates, the bracket, the belt, the cassette, all of the paper as well. It's all included within the kit. Yes, that's it, yeah. So you go, okay.